61, we're going to talk about adding 3 or more fractions. So, it wants us to add 1/2, 1/4, and 1/8 and draw a diagram illustrating the addition. So, I'm going to add 1/2. So, I'm going to take this plus this 1/4 plus this 1/8. So looking at that, I have 7/8 filled. Now let's do the addition and see if we get the same. So I have 1/2. 1/4. 1/8. You don't need both plus signs, I could just have one. Okay. Now remember when we're adding fractions, we have to have a common denominator. Now, luckily, 2 and 4 both go in 8, so I'm going to use 8 as my common denominator. Now, that's 4. 4 times 2 is 8, so 1, 2. That stays the same. Now, I have 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. My denominator stays the same when I'm adding. So I get 7/8, which goes with our picture. We have 7/8 filled in here. Now we have some mixed numbers. So we have 1 and 1/2 plus 2 and 1/3 plus 3 and 1/6. Now you can have both pluses, you can have 1. It's all going to mean the same thing. So first things I have to deal with my fractions. I have to get a common denominator. Once again, I look at my biggest one, it's 6. The other 2 both go into it, so I'm going to use 6 as my denominator. Okay. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 times 3 is 3. Here it's 2, and this stays the same. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. My whole number is 6. Now, this equals 1, so I'm going to take that 1 and add it to the 6 there, so this is going to come out as exactly 7. So when we're adding multiple, like 3 or more fractions or mixed numbers, remember the first thing we have to do is work with our fraction, get a common denominator, add the fractions up, add the whole number, and then if we have to, reduce the fraction to the fraction mixed number, add it to our whole number, whatever. Okay, do our reducing afterwards. So go ahead, do the practice set, don't worry about letter H here. You don't need to write a word problem. So, if you have any questions, make sure you come to class and ask them.